This video I'm showing you how you can download someone's Facebook profile picture. So let's begin the video, but before getting started, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Noteartener is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how-to tutorial videos bringing solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access of our unlimited content of interesting and knowledgeable tech videos like this one. So let's jump into the video. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook app and then you can log in into your account. After that, you can go to any person's Facebook profile, and here after going to any person's Facebook profile, here you can see the profile picture. Simply tap on the profile picture, and here you can simply see the person's profile picture. Here in the very top right corner, you can tap on the three dots, and then you can get all these options. The first option you get is the save to phone. To save the this person's profile picture, simply tap on the save to phone, and then what it will do, the photo save to this device. So that's how you can simply save someone's Facebook profile picture. But if that person's profile or that person's Facebook account is private, then I suspect you can download their profile picture. But if that person's Facebook account is set to public, then you can do this. So that's how you can do that. So if you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Now see you next time.